Hi, today we are going to learn how to improve the process of moderating posts and pages on your site. The CM Editor Moderation Tools is a time-saving plugin for content editors and moderators. It helps editors moderating articles and improves communication between the post authors and editors. Let's start with an overview of the moderators dashboard. The plugin adds a new item pending posts to the admin dashboard for content moderators. This dashboard is helpful for managing the review process, especially when multiple authors are writing or when many posts are being submitted. This dashboard displays the list of posts by all contributors that are waiting for a review. This includes all new articles that have been added or any article that was sent back to the contributor with moderator notes and has subsequently been revised and returned for review once again. Here you can see all base information about posts and manage them. You can apply bulk actions, filter by post types and statuses, search by text, and order the results by the needed column. Now let's head to the plugin settings to define the content moderators and which post types should be allowed for reviewing. First tab consists of a few sections. In first section dashboard, you define post types with certain post statuses that will be displayed on the moderator's dashboard. You can also decide if to display the amount of pending posts by enabling the indicator option. And you can also change the label of the menu item. In the second section moderator notes, you define which post types with certain post statuses the moderators are allowed to review and leave notes. The section moderators lets you define which users will be moderators. These are chosen from the existing users on your site. Users without the permission to review pending posts on your site backend can still be set as moderators. They will be able only to receive email notifications, but not able to review posts and leave notes. So keep in mind that the users you want to be moderators should have corresponding user capabilities. For example, edit other posts, edit other pages, and so on. To add a moderator, start entering the name of a needed user and click on him when his name appears. You can add any amount of moderators. The last section allows you to enable the integration with ChatGPT. Learn more about this integration in our another video. Now click the button Save to save the changes. Next tab is Notifications. After a content contributor submits a post for review in the usual way, the plugin begins the process of email notifications between the moderator and the author of the post. These emails are sent to notify either the moderator or author about changes that happened in the review process. There are 4 email notification types. Pending review. This email is sent to the moderator when a new post is submitted for review by one of the contributors on the website. Moderator sending notes. This email is sent to the author of the post when the moderator completes a review and leaves notes. When the moderator finishes the review, the notes that he added will be sent via email to the author. Author asked review. This message is sent to the moderator when the author reviewed the notes that were made on the post and made the suggested changes. When the author marks the notes as completed and clicks the Ask for Review button, the moderator will receive a summary of the changes that have been made. Moderator approve. This message is sent to the author when the moderator approved his post or page. You can edit the subject and body of the email. Each email template accepts HTML and placeholders. And finally, last tab is Labels. Under this tab you can edit or translate all front-end labels that are generated by the plugin. Now let's see how it all works in practice. The author creates a post and saves it as a draft, or with a pending status, or any other status defined in plugin settings, when the post is not published and is ready for review. The moderator receives an email notification that the post is waiting for a review. The moderator can either click on the link in the email to open and review the post, or find it in the moderator's dashboard and click View. The reviewing happens on the front end. The moderator opens the panel Moderator Notes. He can add or delete some notes and comments. So let's add a few notes to ask the author to align the text, add featured image and video, and add some jokes to the article. Then let's remove one of the tasks and add one comment about featured image. After that, he clicks the button Send Notes to Author. The author of the post will receive the email that moderator has added the notes to the post. The email can contain the list of completed and not completed notes. So let's first edit the post before marking notes as completed. We align the text and add featured image. Then let's get back to the moderator notes panel. The post author can see on his post almost the same panel with moderator notes. The author can mark the notes that were done and add some comments. So let's mark 2 notes as completed and add a comment to the note that is not completed yet. When he finishes, he clicks the button Ask for review. After that, the moderator will receive an email that author asks to review his post. The email can contain the list of completed and not completed notes. The process can repeat while the moderator adds notes and the author works on modifications, until the article becomes perfect. In our case, everything looks good, so we can just check the result and answer to the author's comment. The moderator can publish the post on his moderator's dashboard by hovering on the post and clicking Publish. When the post is published, the post author will receive an email notification that his post is approved. Following instructions found in the plugin and guides, you should be able to improve the process of moderating posts and pages on your site and increase the efficiency of communication between content moderators and post authors. Thanks for watching the video.